Long-term wealth is built quietly, not overnight. Growing wealth long-term becomes possible when attention is placed on the process rather than instant results. Many people chase quick money and end up making decisions that damage their future. Sustainable wealth demands patience, structure, and discipline. Slow progress may feel unrewarding in the beginning, but it provides safety and consistency. A strong process removes emotional decision-making. When systems are trusted, outcomes naturally follow. Consistency reduces pressure. Lower pressure improves judgment. Better judgment leads to better financial choices. Over time, these choices compound into meaningful growth. People who respect the process develop resilience. Resilience protects discipline. Discipline compounds progress year after year. Time is the strongest partner in wealth creation. Compounding works only when time is respected. Money grows when it is allowed to remain invested without interruption. Even small investments can become significant if left untouched. The biggest enemy of compounding is impatience. Frequent withdrawals weaken momentum. Discipline allows compounding to do its job. Over time, growth becomes smoother and more predictable. Volatility loses its power when time is extended. Confidence grows as results stabilize. Stable results reinforce consistency. Time rewards commitment. Commitment prevents interference. Non-interference maximizes compounding. Too much safety slows growth. Too much risk destroys it. Balancing risk is essential for long-term wealth. Avoiding all risk keeps money stagnant, while excessive risk invites losses. The goal is not to eliminate risk but to manage it intelligently. Diversification spreads exposure and limits damage. When one investment struggles, another can provide support. Balanced strategies reduce emotional stress. Reduced stress improves long-term planning. Planning brings stability. Risk awareness lowers fear. Lower fear improves reasoning. Rational decisions protect capital. Balanced risk builds confidence. Confidence stabilizes actions. Stable actions preserve wealth. Your habits decide your financial future. Daily habits play a greater role in wealth creation than rare big decisions. Small financial behaviors repeated consistently create powerful outcomes. Regular saving strengthens discipline. Avoiding unnecessary spending protects momentum. Automation reduces effort. Reduced effort increases sustainability. Strong habits filter emotional reactions. Filtered decisions support long-term thinking. Ignoring habits leads to inconsistency. Consistency builds direction. Direction creates momentum. Momentum pushes wealth forward steadily. Habits reduce dependence on motivation. Reduced dependence improves reliability. Reliable behavior sustains growth. Wealth grows where vision stays clear. A clear, long-term vision keeps financial decisions aligned. Without vision, money loses purpose. Market fluctuations are normal, but vision prevents panic. Long-term thinkers ignore short-term noise. Clear goals support patience. Patience strengthens discipline. Discipline keeps systems stable. Stable systems allow wealth to grow slowly but permanently. This stability separates lasting success from temporary gains. Vision sharpens focus. Focus reduces distractions. Fewer distractions increase consistency. Vision anchors decisions. Anchored decisions reduce errors. Fewer errors preserve momentum. Strong foundations protect wealth for decades. Long-term wealth does not begin with higher income. It begins with stability. When financial stability is missing, even strong earnings feel fragile. Emergency funds and basic protection reduce uncertainty. Reduced uncertainty lowers emotional pressure. Lower pressure improves decision quality. Logical decisions prevent wasteful behavior. When waste decreases, growth space appears. Stability shifts the mindset from survival to planning. Planning enables structured progress. Structured progress reduces mistakes. Fewer mistakes preserve capital. Predictable systems build confidence. Confidence strengthens patience. Patience allows wealth to grow without forced urgency. Stability increases flexibility. Flexibility improves opportunity selection. Better opportunities strengthen long-term outcomes. Emotions are the biggest enemy of long-term wealth. Emotions distort financial judgment more than lack of knowledge. Fear pushes people to exit early. Greed pushes people to enter too late. Market noise amplifies emotional reactions. Panic leads to impulsive behavior. Impulsive actions interrupt compounding. A rules-based approach creates distance from emotion. Distance restores clarity. Clarity improves execution quality. Quality execution builds consistency. Consistency protects long-term strategies. Emotional awareness develops discipline. Discipline prevents reactionary decisions. Prevention protects capital. Stability grows when emotions are managed. Managed emotions create a safe environment for wealth to grow steadily. Wealth grows faster when money is reused wisely. Reinvestment separates short-term earners from long-term builders. Spending profits immediately limits future potential. Reinvested profits strengthen compounding. Compounding accelerates growth without increasing effort. Scale emerges from consistent reinvestment. Scale improves efficiency. Efficiency increases return on effort. Higher returns reinforce confidence. Confidence supports patience during slow periods. Patience protects strategy during downturns. Reinvestment increases resilience. Resilience ensures survival during volatility. Survival enables future expansion. Reinvestment multiplies effort. Multiplied effort builds durability. Durable systems sustain long-term wealth. Old rules don't always win in a changing world. Financial environments evolve continuously. Strategies that once worked can lose effectiveness. Static knowledge creates blind spots. Blind spots increase exposure to risk. Continuous learning improves awareness. Awareness reduces costly surprises. Learning builds confidence. Confidence sharpens judgment. Sharper judgment limits losses. Limited losses preserve capital. Preserved capital sustains momentum. Calm behavior during uncertainty protects discipline. Updated knowledge increases adaptability. Adaptability reduces vulnerability. Reduced vulnerability supports long-term stability. Learning ensures relevance. Relevance protects wealth over changing cycles. Time rewards those who don't rush. Patience is an active strategy, not passive waiting. Unrealistic timelines create frustration. Frustration leads to impulsive decisions. Impulsive decisions weaken systems. Realistic expectations reduce pressure. Lower pressure stabilizes behavior. Stable behavior strengthens discipline. Discipline protects consistency. Consistency gives compounding time. Compounding converts time into power. Power builds wealth quietly. Endurance supports long-term focus. Focus prevents distraction. Fewer distractions reduce errors. Reduced errors protect momentum. Momentum secures sustainable success over time.